last minute plan. We plan to do nothing, probably watch movies, but here we are at one of the spots, so wish us luck.
Yeah. Kakilala kayo?
Yeah, I'll come one time.
Kaya mo na sa akin.
Okay. If you know the spot then is the proof. Are there anyone here? Everyone's probably cold or indoors or I don't know. Can't see where I'm looking. Oh, there. My face. Quick update, it starts pouring down with rain and none of us have rain jackets. I've come to the car, he doesn't want to stop. We should have thought about this, but we thought we would just be spontaneous and come. Anyhow, hopefully we get some fish. Speaking of the devil, he just walked here. I got woken up by banging noise like just behind me. He's still out there. It's a raid. I get even I woke up. I'm wondering what is going on. Oops, I copped out. And then I've just clicked. The fish is wiggling in the chiller. Oh my god. It's just stopped now, but I quickly flipped out the camera once I woke up. Let's have a look. He's back. It was fun. I stayed in the car most of the time. How was it? Cold. The guy is still moving around at the back. Obviously he knows that he's gonna be whakongai tomorrow. What's yours? Hey, cheese! G'day, man! What's up, guys? Lego is my life. I have my buddy here with me, wherever you are. The challenge is to make the best car and you guys will be the judge. Okay. We have to finish in 20 minutes. What? Longer? Do you need longer? Because things are getting serious now. Here we go. Somebody is missing his part. We'll see. We're still coming along. Still looking for bits and pieces, but I think we've got kind of the idea of what we're looking for. The car's gonna be like a really big, cool one. How are you going with your car?
Amazing.
My one is all over the face. I'm having a little break and a little stretch. That's my one!
Cook water power in one young man.
You already got fight. We're still going 10 years later. Things have gotten serious because someone likes to steal ideas. I won't mention names. They know who they are.
I'm not too That's the front. You see the front? There's the new style. Look at the back. The brake lights, reverse, and spare tire. Hey. See the front? They got lights on the top. Get ready to go put the cone on the road.